Ready, one,
আমার
two,
আমার
three.
শুনতে পারেননি?
Chef, cutting master. What is this, bro?
This is rabbit meat.
Sure, are you sure?
Yes.
Damn. How was the price?
750 টাকা কেজি।
715 taka.
1030 টাকা নিছে।
Oh, it's too much expensive. Do you know?
শখের তোলা 80 টাকা।
Ah, I told you. Okay, now you will cutting.
মুরগি মাংস মতো।
Yeah, similar of chicken.
হুম।
Okay. Okay, you are doing slice.
This is wings. Rabbit wings.
It also wings. No.
Rabbit wings.
Sure.
Yes, rabbit wings.
Wings. What is this?
কলিজা ব্যবসা।
Okay.
এটা কিডনিটা।
Tanvir bro will cook. He told me.
কুক করুক যেটা করুক মজাই তো লাগবে। কোনো কথা নেই।
Okay. Farooq bro. Is this Farooq?
Yes.
Hey Farooq bro. Learn something from Tamim bro. He's expert. He's a chef. He learned something from Danmundi. Danmundi?
Yes.
Yeah.
This blood.
Yeah. It's bleeding. Bleeding. No, no, no. Enough?
Enough.